Well, my old shoe's falling apart. Kind of dangerous walking around with that like that. I got a new pair of shoes, but I need these for my house slippers when I go in the house, take my work shoes off. Put these on just to go down the cellar to throw wood in the stove or something like that. Nothing real important. So I'm got some Gorilla Glue. I'm gonna glue it back together. I've had trouble with these gluing shoes together. The glue don't hold on different ones I've tried. So I'm going to try something different. Already done a sample. I drilled a hole down through there. Not quite right. I'll go a little different. After I get the glue in there, then I'm going to run some copper wire down through the hole and twist it around the side, tie it together 2 or 3 places. And I hope that'll hold it together. And can't find my tripod, so I guess I'll do part of it and show you what I got done here in a minute. We'll see what happens. There we go. Well, what do you think? Think I'll keep them together? All I gotta do is stay good together enough so I go down and throw wood in the stove. Alright, I'll finish this up and try them out in a few days. Yeah, what do you think? Think that'll keep me from stubbing my toe when I go down cellar to put wood in the fire? I don't think I could wear this out in the weeds very much. Maybe, I don't know. It ought to work for a while. Alright. I'll try them out in a couple days when it cools off.